click on the image, if you want to create an outline for this person, first you have to remove the background. So I'm going to come over to the top and click Background Remover. This removes the background of the image. Once I do that, then I come over to Edit, scroll all the way down until I see Effects, and I click Shadows. And here I will create an outline. You can adjust the size of the outline. You can adjust the color of the outline. And you can also adjust the intensity at which you see the outline. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.